This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook delicious noodles on the stove. First, select a large pot that is large enough to prevent the noodles from sticking together. Fill it with about 4 quarts of cold water for every pound of pasta you plan to cook. Add 1 tablespoon of salt to the water. This simple step enhances the flavor of your pasta from the inside out. Place your pot over high heat on your stove, making sure the burner is appropriate for the pot's size. Cover the pot with a lid. This helps the water come to a boil more quickly by trapping the heat. Wait patiently until the water reaches a vigorous, rolling boil where large, active bubbles continuously break the surface. This intense heat is crucial for proper pasta cooking. Carefully add your chosen noodles to the vigorously boiling water, gently pushing down any long strands as they soften. Immediately stir the noodles for about 30 seconds to prevent them from sticking to each other or to the bottom of the pot. Once stirred, the water temperature might drop slightly, but aim to quickly return it to a gentle boil for even cooking. Refer to your pasta package for the recommended cooking time, which is usually between 8 and 12 minutes for most dry pasta types. A minute or two before the suggested time, begin testing a noodle for doneness. The perfect noodle should be al dente, meaning it is tender but still has a slight, pleasant chew to it without being mushy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.